Write a Python program to accept a file name from the user and print the extension of that sample file name, abc.java. Objective. Python str, rsplit sep equals none, maxsplit equals -1. Function. The function returns a list of the words of a given string using a separator as the delimiter string. If maxsplit is given, the list will have at most maxsplit plus 1 elements. If maxsplit is not specified or -1, then there is no limit on the number of splits. If sep is given, consecutive delimiters are not grouped together and are deemed to delimit empty strings. The sep argument may consist of multiple characters. Splitting an empty string with a specified separator returns. Python code. Sample output. Algorithm. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Get a file name as input from the user. Step 3. By using split function, split the file name. Step 4. Using repair function and negative indexing, get the extension of file name. Step 5. Get the extension of the file name. Step 6. Stop. Pseudocode. Begin. Get file name as input from user. Using split function, split file name, get the extension file name using repair function and negative indexing, print the extension of file name. End. Flowchart. Thanks for watching.